Dear students, my name is Ainur Yesbolova and I'm Associate Professor of Management and Marketing Department of II.3.Functions, South Kazakhstan University. And discipline is management, and today we consider and discuss about its one theme of this management discipline, and this theme functions of management. And our plan is just consists of two questions, planning and leading. And here we should just again, just repeat what is management involves, and several core functions that are essential for effectively guiding and organizing an organizations. This function forms the foundation of effective management practices. And here planning is the process of setting objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve them. It involves forecasting future conditions, analyzing trends, and deciding on the necessary step to meet organizational goals. And here key activities: setting goals and objectives, developing strategies to achieve these goals, determining the resources required, establishing timelines and schedules. And here we can see that organizing involves arranging resources and tasks in a structured way to achieve the organizational goals. It includes creating a framework within which individual efforts are coordinated. And here we can see that the key activities: designing the organizational structure, allocating resources, the human, financial, materials, assigning tasks and responsibility, establishing relationships and authority lines. And next one is leading is a process of motivating and guiding employees to meet the organization objectives. It involves directing and influencing others toward achieving common goals. And the key activities: communicating vision and goals, motivating and inspiring employees. And here next one is controlling, is a process of monitoring and evaluating the progress towards the organizational goals. It involves setting performance standards, measuring actual performance, and taking corrective actions when necessary. And key activities: establishing performance standards, measuring actual performance, compare performance against standards. And here the coordinating involves ensuring that the different departments and groups working together effectively and efficiently. It aims to harmonize various activities to achieve the organization's objectives. And key activities is ensuring alignment between departments, facilitating communication and collaboration, and synchronizing tasks and timelines. Next one is staffing. Staffing involves recruiting, selecting, training, and developing employees. And key activities here job analysis and design, and training and development, and compensation and benefits. These core functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, controlling, coordinating, and staffing work together to ensure that an organization operates smoothly and achieves its objectives. Effective management requires a balance of these functions tailored to the specific needs and context of the organization. And here the planning, setting goals and objectives. Key components: broad, long-term outcomes an organization aims to achieve. An objective is a specific, measurable step to accomplish the goals. And setting clear goals and objectives provide direction and a sense of purpose. Goals give a broad vision, while objectives break down the vision into the actionable steps, making it easier to measure progress and success. And here steps in the planning process: it's analyze internal and external environments to identify opportunities and threats, and define clear, specific, and achievable objectives aligned with the organization's goals. Formulate strategies to achieve the objectives, considering resource and constraints. Create detailed action plans, assigning task responsibilities and timelines. And here organizing, involves arranging resources and activities in a structured way to achieve the organization objectives. And here key elements define the role, responsibilities, and the hierarchy within the organization, distribute tasks based on specialization, expertise, and group tasks into department based on function, products, geography, and or customer. And allocating resources, it's a resource allocation involves distributing the organization, resource human and financial, informational to various activities and departments to achieve strategic goals. And here just the key activities of allocating resources is determines the resources needed to implement plan. And allocate financial resources based on priorities and requirements. Just assign the right people to the right tasks, ensuring its alignment with their skills and expertise. Just continuously monitor resources usage and relocate as needed to address changing circumstances and priorities. And we can see that about this allocating resources, that's effective resource allocation ensures that all parts of the organization have the necessary resources to function efficiently and achieve their objectives. It involves balancing competing demands and making strategic decisions to optimize resource use. And here we can see that leading involves inspiring and guiding employees towards achieving organizational goals. And the key components, it's motivation, communication, and leadership styles. And effective leadership requires understanding what motivates employees and using that knowledge to inspire them. And leaders must communicate effectively, provide direction, and create an environment where employees feel valued and engaged. And strategies for motivating employees, it's acknowledge and reward employees for their achievements and hard work, provide opportunities for training and career growth, give employees autonomy and involve them in decision-making process, promote policies that help employees balance their professional and personal lives and foster supportive and inclusive workplace culture. And here strategies for motivating employees. It's motivating employees involves more than just financial incentives, recognizing achievements and offering growth opportunities, empowering employees and promoting work-life balance, and crucial for maintaining high levels of motivation and productivity. And as concerns controlling, it's is a process of monitoring organizational activity to ensure they are aligned with planned objectives. And key components of controlling, it's establishing benchmarks for performance, collecting data on actual performance, comparing actual performance against standards. And controlling ensures that organizational activities are on track and that goals are being met. And in conclusion, we can say that the function of management, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling are essential components that work together to ensure the smooth operation and success of an organization. And planning sets the direction by establishing goals and objectives, organizing, arrange resources and tasks to achieve these goals. Leading motivates, we can see that the leading motivates and guides employees to perform at their best. Controlling monitor progress and makes necessary adjustment to stay on track. And mastering this function allows managers to create an efficient organization capable of achieving its strategic objective and adapting to changing environments. As I said before, it's a main task of management. It's planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. And each manager should learn about this one and use it in the process management, in organization, in enterprises, or in different company. It's very necessary to manage in these enterprises, in a country, in company, or in a different aspect of company. Thank you so much for your attention.